How's it, guys? Quick video here. I'm busy working on a 32cc motor here. I just took the clutch and the clutch carrier out and I need to put it back. I just quickly wanted to show you a mistake that you could make and break your Easystart. The new Rovan 32s and 45s and so on comes with the Easystart system, and it is possible to break that system if you're going to change your clutch and do it wrong. I'm quickly going to show you how to use the engine stopper when tightening your clutch carrier or your clutch. Alright, so here on my lap, I'm busy tightening this clutch carrier. Now, obviously you can't tighten this because it will just turn around. You have to put the engine stop in. But now what sometimes happens is you put your engine stop in, and before it even touches the top of the spark plug, because your easy pull start works on a one-way system. This is the easy system. I don't know if you can see in there with the driving plate dog bone system. So this Easystart system obviously runs clockwise. If you're going to turn the internal parts anti-clockwise, it's going to hook this pull start, turn against that clutch spring, turn against that spring inside, and completely break that spring part out. So if you're okay, so turning this way is fine. Turning this way is fine. What you got to do is you got to put in your engine stopper tool, and you'll feel it's hitting the piston when the engine is not. So I'm turning it the right way now. Let me just get it to a certain point. Okay, so now the engine stop will go in all the way. But now I run the risk, if I turn it back the other way, it's not hooking the engine stop, it's actually hooking the pull start. So what you got to do is you got to check that your piston is right at the top. Look in the hole, turn it the right way around, the way your pull start will turn the engine. Turn the engine over that way, and once your piston hits the top, then you put your engine stop in and keep turning it. Okay, this side you're obviously turning it anti-clockwise, but that side is turning clockwise. Keep turning it until your engine stop grips. Okay, so when you screw this in, basically what you're doing is you're pushing the piston down until it locks in its place. Now if you're going to turn this thing to the clockwise, turn it tight with your tool, it's actually pushing on the engine stop and it's not pushing on your pull start. So just be mindful of that, guys. Make sure that your piston is actually touching the engine stop when you're tightening up your clutch. You can keep it there now and tighten this up, tighten the clutch up, and then take that out. Do not make the mistake of tightening up your clutch and your clutch carrier and then it's actually hooking the driving plate of the Easystart system. If you've got a normal old standard pull start, it won't make a difference. You can just put that engine stop in there and it will turn until it hooks that engine stop. So hope you guys can find this tutorial or tip useful, and don't break stuff. Let's just have fun, guys.